Unlock stunning, professional video quality for all your online interactions by transforming your Sony A7 IV into a high-performance webcam. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of connecting your Sony A7 IV to your computer using a USB cable, making it incredibly easy to elevate your live streams, video calls, and any online content you create. First, ensure your Sony A7 Iv is powered on. Locate the USB-C port on your camera body. This is typically found on the side, under a covered flap. Now, take your high-quality USB-C cable, connect one end firmly into the camera's USB-C port, then connect the other end into an available USB port on your computer. Once connected, your computer should recognize the camera. You might see a prompt appear, or the camera may automatically enter a specific mode. On your Sony A7 Iv, navigate to the camera's menu system. Look for the Setup or Settings section. You'll want to find an option related to USB settings or connection. Within the USB settings, select the mode that allows for PC remote or USB streaming. This is crucial for enabling the camera to function as a webcam. Now, open your preferred video conferencing software or streaming application on your computer. Go to the Video or Camera Settings section. From the list of available cameras, select your Sony A7 IV. You should immediately see your feed appear, showcasing the incredible detail and clarity your camera provides. With your Sony A7 Iv now acting as your webcam, you're ready to enjoy vastly improved video quality for all your online communication needs. Experiment with your camera's settings and lighting to further enhance your virtual presence.